Oh boy. I'm Rondo Estafront. And I'm Bunt Ron Stufo. And today we're got a cooking show and we're gonna teach you how to cook in the wild. There's food all around us. You just gotta be clever enough to see it. And we're gonna teach you exactly how it's gonna go. Well, without further ado, let's start digging. Alright, now you just gonna done follow me while I get in the woods here and we're gonna find some food. So, first thing you gotta know about them woods here. None of that. Alright, second thing you gotta know about them woods here. See these leaves in there? You got these? See a leaf on the ground? Just, oh my! Yeah. Oh. Oh, and there you go. Oh, we got it. Oh my, that's a juicy one. Oh, now here we go. All right in there. Whew. Big old baby, I'll bring that back to the stash. Rule number 3 about the woods, always be ready for cooking. You're making food, you may as well look like it. There we go. Alright, now Bunt is gonna show you how to wash this baby up here. So we got a nice vegetable right here, but it's not you can't eat it. So what we gotta do, we gotta bring it to the river. Gotta get some water. Let's go. None of that. We got the stream right here, and we got some bugs, but that's okay because they neutralize the pH level and it cleans it all up. You gotta get your drinking glass, and you gotta fill her up.
Fill that right up there, bud.
1, 2, not 3, not 4, not 5. 28. All right, gotta get and keep one for safekeeping. All right, let's go. We got our working space right here, and we got our lovely vegetables. And what we gotta do, we gotta pound it. First thing to pound, you gotta take it right by here. You gotta get a good grip. You give it a whack. Now, Rondo right here, he's gonna tell you how to separate the vegetables from one another. Let's go, Rondo.
Alright, so we'll first just grab it right here. Vegetable, I can already smell it. Ooh, that's gonna taste nice and good. Ooh, Nelly. Okay, here, you might end up with a big clump like this, and you can't pull it out. See, you just keep on tugging it and pull it. It ain't gonna come out. So that's why you gotta get the special tool here.
Oh, yeah, the special tool.
Special tool. Alright, so you're just gonna get here. You're just gonna separate it real.
All right, so we got Rondo purified. I gotta purify them now. We're gonna take them back to the stream. Get going.
Bunt's gonna show us his old family trick for purifying them vegetables there.
All right, so make sure you roll your sleeves up.
Roll your sleeves up, safety first.
All right. Oh, don't want to lose them.
Oh, don't want to lose a vegetable. Oh, yeah.
You just scrub them really hard with your hand. Oh, there, Betsy. All right.
Oh, nice and white.
All right, so we got a really clean one. I'm gonna teach you a little safety lesson right here. Safety first, buddy. All right, so we just purified the vegetable, and we're gonna get down and get them grinded. All right. This is how they grind it up in the Andes Mountains back when he was born and raised. Here we go, Rondo. So we got Rondo. He's gonna teach you how to crisp it. All right, let's go.
All right, so now we gonna crisp it up. So we gonna be using OFF today, stands for everybody's favorite fascist. All right, now.
All right.
We're gonna
All right, get a good angle on this. Make it too long. Just rip them off, buddy. Just a little bit. Keep going.
Get some. All right, so you see here we got our delicious crisp.
Oh yeah, bye.
Enjoy that damn there.
Just get it on deck. All right, so we've been down through those woods right over there, and we came across a real bit over here. So you look right there. You see that little coloration right in there? This thing's real sensitive. So you gotta be real careful. But this is gonna be the main the main meat of our dinner. Smooth. Oh, okay, so breaking them apart a little bit. Right there, you see all that? See, this actually is a fungi. And what happens is that when they go, it goes over here. Alright, so look at this. Look, oh boy.
Ooh, look at all that substance.
Oh man, so this is our main substance of the course. Okay, so, got our substance, let's go. Alright, so when you're going through a marsh, first safety tip, you gotta be quick, and you gotta be speedy, you gotta be smooth, you gotta be slick.
Safety tip number 4, always wear gloves. Well, now that, I'm just gonna add in the substance in here right now. Just sprinkle that on, and oh, that's gonna be lovely.
All right, so we got our last one, and Rondo's gonna show you how to get it. We're gonna metal detect for it. It's really common in this area, so we should be able to find it.
So we're gonna find ourselves some paste here. Don't you swallow along like this. Oh, wait, is that it?
It's right up.
Alright.
Here, beeps.
I can't quite reach it.
No, it should be red, buddy. It should be red. That's not red.
That's green.
Whoa, we're getting a signal. Oh, wait, move it. We know it's there. Gotta get good stuff.
I think I found that something here.
Oh, buddy. Oh, my.
Wait.
We're just gonna bring this over, and we're gonna get it on.
Oh, bunty boy.
All right, Rondo, you want to do the honors? It's gonna be a feast tonight.
Nice and slow, like. Nice and slow.
Oh.
I got it.
It's okay.
That's that. All right.
Oh boy, what did you find? Oh my God! What the hell is that? Oh my God! Oh, get it out, buddy.
And they're all nice and good.
Oh boy! Oh! Get the buddy, ball. Get the buddy. Oh, that's gonna be real
nice and good. And
oh, get that all.
Right.
Get it all.
Get it in there, nice and good.
Oh,
there we go.
Now
I'm
rusty.
gonna keep that for myself with the whole me pocky.
Oh, I want it.
We're gonna test to see if it has the right amount of electrolytes. It's pattern on the bottom here. Got
All right,
Wake
Billy.
up the electrolytes.
Oh.
They know what's coming. All right, just flip.
All right, get that on.
There we go. Get some of that.
All right, get that in there.
All right, and
Right over. Okay. And 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! Here we go. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. That's how it goes.
There we go.
All right. All right there. So what you got your fire pit dug, and we're gonna get some little substitute to get that keep on going. Right over here, Rondo's got the. That's okay. Shh, it's okay.
I'm ready for this. Been ready as I ever been. I'll make a delicious stew.
It's all good. Oh boy, that is nice and good. There we go. There you go. You know how it's going. Hey, here's how you cook the fire. That's how you get the fire done. Now that was just purely oxygen, by the way.
Purely oxygen.
Rondo just took a big breath and buffed it in there. All right. Okay. So what we're gonna do? See that radio right there? Okay.
Stir that up.
Oh boy, that looks crispy and oh, look at that, crispy and nice.
Nothing better than that underground cooking up.
Because we gotta get that smoke.
Well, there we go.
All right.
All right. That's how you know it's ready to be underground.
All right.
All right, y'all want this shovel?
Okay. Look at me. Right here. This is real fire. You can even see some bright blue flames. What do? Oh, there you go. You can feel it right there. You can feel it. Feel it. Oh, see, it's pushing back. All right, hold on. Okay, so we got the first layer of dirt, and now we're gonna completely cover it. Orange.
So he's taking the orange.
Take some orange from the orange pail. Okay. Bone needle done. 3, 2, 1, bam.
There we go.
That's it. Come back in about 10 minutes or so. About damn right, Rondo.
That about damn right.
All right. I've been hanging around here for 10 minutes. We're about to dig this up and we're gonna have ourselves a big feast. All right. All right, here we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, Nessie. Oh, all right. All right, here it is. Here it is. Oh, it's still steaming a little bit. That's how you know it's a good batch. All right. Move it over. All right, so our dinner's ready. About to be served. I'm about to do a good little thing.
Then we're gonna make a side. Oh boy, this is just the main course. We just getting warmed up. All right, let's go inside. Oh jeez. All right, okay. Oh, wait, hold on.
What in God's latest name, man?
Josh.
Okay, let's go. Let's do a taste test. It's a beauty. Alright.
Alright, here's Bunt. Alright. So it's getting a bit late out yesterday.
Yep.
So, so we decided to went on in.
Oh yeah, we're gonna film inside this time, show you how to film in the kitchen.
So you know how to make stuff out of things that you can find in your everyday kitchen.
Alright.
Alright, so we done got our stew here.
Yep, we got it right here.
Ready to serve, been sitting all night. Ooh, this gonna be delicious.
Oh, betcha.
Alright, so we're gonna move this over here to the side.
Okay.
And now we gonna make ourselves a side.
We're gonna get some.
We're gonna start over here.
Okay.
Gotta get that bread. Alright, so we're gonna put it down in here. Get all this crisp out of there.
Yeah, nice crispy.
Alright, so the first thing you want to know about making bread is to massage that bread. Alright, after you massage the bread, you want to be able to see the imprints of your hand on this bread.
There we go, that's how
We're going to siphon it up. Alright, now so we got our bowl.
Okay.
So we're going to put our freshly pressed bread in that bowl. So now the first thing you're going to want to do is to soften this up.
Okay.
Untwist that cap there. Alright. Now this adds a delicious tang to it as well. So you just want to get that all up in there. Oh, it's alright if you spill a bit. Alright. Now, close it up. Now for the next ingredient. Safety tip number 6. Always... Alright, so the next ingredient, we got some rice, and at the bottom, we got a brown burger.
Alright. All nice and soggy.
Sprinkle that in nice and good.
Soggy.
Nice and good.
Oh,
boy. Rice on one side, and burger on the other.
That's how I always work.
Nice and that's good. Alright. To keep it all together, you know, some people use eggs to keep their bacon together. Right. Well, we got a secret trick for you.
There we go.
Keep that in there.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Okay. Know how it is.
All right, there we
Close
go.
that
That's
up.
looking good.
All right, we're just gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes.
Alright, so right here we got our finished meals, and I'm going to show you how to eat them properly. Alright, so this one, you can see the glue, it's nice coming out right on the side. That's looking real nice. And what you got to do before you eat it, always remember, you have to leave an aerating hole right down the center. And what you do is you just put your finger right there, and bam. Okay, that's it for that. And now we move on to this right here. It's our stew, right? The stews are very particular when it comes to eating it, right? So, what you do to eat it up in the microwave for 2 minutes. Boom, there you go. Put it on this stove. Make sure you put this on there.
The wonderful thing about a Shmamich is that You put it on the thing, and then it's a side and a topping at the same
That's how it
time.
goes. It's the same time as the top and the side. And you can really feel, you can really feel the juices. Really feel the juices in there. Oh, boy. Whoa! That's some good sandwich.
All right.
Alright, so this been done how you cook a food. Cook that food
that's
from
how
the
you- that's how it's
forest.
done right there.
And cook a food from your kitchen.
From your kitchen.
So now
alright?
you got the recipe for a beautiful main course, lots of protein and carbohydrates.
That's how it goes.
And now you got a side. It's nice and sweet and sour and salty.
Nice and
And
sweet and
then
sour.
stick your teeth right together.
That makes my mustache almost tingle.
Anyway, so that's it for today, and we look forward to seeing you next week.
Okay.
All right. Have a nice
Bye
day now.
there.